How you doing, guys? Jamie G here again. I want to say a massive thanks for joining me in today's video. And if you are new to my channel, I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, and all things digital. So if that's of interest to yourself, love to have you guys stick around. Feel free to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm going to be putting out. Oh, it's a mouthful. Okay, look, what I wanted to discuss today is something called launch jacking. Now, I must admit, this is probably my 60th go at doing this video. Every time I do, I have a few technology issues, so fingers crossed I can actually do it and get through it. So anyway, launch jacking, let's get into it. See you guys on the inside. Hey, it's working. How you doing, guys? Jamie G back here. Thanks for joining me. So launch jacking, what is it? How do we do it? How do we make this whole thing work? Launch jacking is essentially looking to rank for keywords of a product that hasn't yet launched. So the idea being is because, let's say it's shiny light bulb in my face.com is the product. It's due to launch and it's about how to shine a light on someone's face while they're recording a video, even though the lighting's kind of bad. Let's say that that's the product you're trying to rank for, and it's due to launch in about 3 weeks time. Now what you can do is, if you imagine that the keywords don't actually exist as yet, so a keyword like shiny light in my eyes product review doesn't exist, or shine a light in my eyes product bonus doesn't exist either. So there's all these keywords that come out of it. Is it a scam? Blah 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 product review, blah 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 product scam, blah 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 product does it work, things like that. So all these keywords that don't yet exist you can rank for because there's no competition at that point. So the way you go about it is you jump onto a website called muncheye.com, muncheye.com, and what that's going to tell you is all the launches that are due out for both Warrior Plus and JVZoo, okay, and it works really well for the internet marketing niche. Probably will work really well for other products and other niches as well. It's just that those products usually don't get launched quite on the same regularity as the products on JVZoo or Warrior Plus. Whew, that's a mouthful. So basically what you do is you try and get in touch with the vendor. Now I know it's a little bit hard if you are starting out because you don't have a reputation, and most vendors, they'll probably overlook you because they don't want to screw up their stats when they're launching a product with affiliates that don't have a track record. Makes perfect sense, but if you can just say, look, I'm learning all this stuff, I've been trying to do launch jacking, you get in touch with the actual product vendor, ask for a review copy if it's available. A lot of the time they won't issue it just purely because you are new, and they think you're just probably trying to get a free copy of the product off them as well. But persevere. I mean, you can also do a review based on the actual affiliate page as well. And what I mean by that is you can go through and basically look at all the testimonials on the sales page. You can look at things like the upsells and just be real with people when you're describing it. So all you need to do is grab the product or the affiliate page that they have, look at all the upsells and downsells, cross sells, blah blah blah, all that sort of stuff, and go through that and just say, look, this product consists of this is the main product that you're going to be buying, it's 12 bucks, but then there's an upsell for that. And purely based on the fact that you're just being real with your audience when you do record a video of it, then basically you gain some authority because they think, okay, well, he's not trying to hide anything, he's basically telling us that there is upsells and all that sort of stuff along the way. Now that's one way you can do it, and obviously you produce a video and then you upload it to YouTube, and like I say, anywhere from sort of 1 to 3 weeks out from the product launch, you'll find that you'll be able to rank for those keywords really easily. Now it is quite competitive these days, so there's probably quite a few people that are doing it, so it doesn't quite have the same effect as it once did, but I still have used it in the past with another channel I've got, or had I should say. Did make some good money out of it as well, so it does certainly work. Now the other thing that you can do is just build a site, like a website specifically for reviews, and it's probably a little bit more difficult than just purely doing a YouTube video, but that also does work as well, and it means that you're always having to create fresh content, which Google loves, means that your rankings are going to be high throughout the launch. A lot of people don't want to watch videos as well. They don't want to hear anything, they just want to read through some stuff on their way home, on the train home or whatever, you know, so therefore sometimes the articles themselves actually produce better results. So it really depends on what route you take for that. The other thing as well, and this is going to boost your probability of making a sale, is if you offer some sort of bonus. So to give you guys an idea, if you have a look at people online, like a guy called Jono Armstrong is one of my mentors, really solid dude. He's produced a whole bunch of products, and if you have a look at his channel, he has done, I'm going to assume, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of product reviews, and he goes right through the actual products themselves, and he gives you full details as to what the products are about. Now, a little caveat on that as well is that you don't want to give away absolutely everything. You don't want to do screenshots if there's, you know, one vital piece of information. You don't want to give away that whole big chunk there. But ideally what you do want to do is just give the viewer or the reader or whatever enough information that it provides a solid review for them. And if there is parts of it missing, that's where your bonuses come in. So if it's missing, I don't know, something that you see could be improved, then perhaps you can create a bonus or find a bonus online, even as simple as another YouTube video that you found, for example, where if you can help someone, then that's a great bonus to have. So therefore, that's going to boost your chances of making those affiliate sales as well. So look, that felt like a whole bunch of mouthful, whole big mouthful, you know what I mean. But that's it, that's launch jacking in a nutshell, nice and simple. So I was planning on doing a video on how to select your products via ClickBank and find those and rank those. I'm still in research mode with that. It's really funny, like I had that all lined up and everything was good to go, and then I realized that the keyword and the product that I found was super competitive, and I just want to make sure that I'm giving myself the best probability of results to get good results, so that way as I'm going through it and as I'm teaching this stuff, it's like an active case study as I go along. So that's why I was sort of digressing this video, but the next one definitely will be back on track. So stick around for it, guys. Once again, my name is Jamie G. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. And like I say, if you do get any value out of this, feel free to hit the like button or the dislike button. I'm an adult and I can take any feedback you give me, okay? And leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I'm open to suggestions if there's anything you'd like to see or any improvements to these videos.